Hello everyone, this is Maria, and today is a special day because it is Wednesday, and I stated that I would give away $7 in Bitcoin because I reached 700 subscribers. So I already have the link for the YouTube video, and let's jump over here to our YouTube random comment picker, and actually, I'm just going to refresh this page. Okay, and put it in here, the actual video. Okay, so you can see I have 11 comments. And now I'm going to see who our lucky winner is. Alright, so the lucky winner is Albam Mehur. So thank you very kindly, Albam, for being a subscriber. And I'm going to grab your Bitcoin address, but I'm actually going to come over here. And let's find you in here so I can make sure that I grab the, let's see, let's just do it this way. I'm just looking for the bar. Okay. Just want to make sure I grab the right address. Okay, so Albam, grab this, and thank you for the congrats, and thank all of you for subscribing. Now what I'm going to do, I said it was going to be $7, but I'm actually going to send you $10 if Exodus ever comes up. So let's give it just a second here. Alright, so go ahead and paste Mr. Albam's address in here. And again, instead of being $7, I'm going to go ahead and up it to $10 US. Send that off, and congratulations again. Thank you everybody for subscribing, and please stay tuned as I will be doing a few more giveaways in the month of December.